Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore natural solutions for common health issues. Today's focus is on a discomfort we've all experienced, ear infections. Whether it's a minor irritation or a full-blown infection, we've got some fantastic natural remedies to help you find relief. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so now and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our helpful content. Now let's jump into the world of natural remedies for ear infections. Warm compress. Our first remedy is a classic, the warm compress. Take a clean cloth and soak it in warm water. Gently place the warm compress against the infected ear for about 15 minutes. This method helps improve blood circulation, reduces pain, and eases inflammation. Just ensure the water isn't too hot to avoid any discomfort or burns. Garlic oil moving onto a potent natural antibiotic. Garlic. Crush a garlic clove and mix it with olive oil. Warm the mixture slightly and strain out the solid pieces. Apply a few drops of the garlic oil into the infected ear. Garlic's antimicrobial properties may assist in fighting off the infection. Apple cider vinegar and rubbing alcohol solution. For our next remedy, we have a solution using apple cider vinegar and rubbing alcohol. Mix equal parts of both and gently pour a few drops into the infected ear. This combination creates an environment that's less favorable for bacterial growth, helping to alleviate the infection. Tea tree oil. Another powerful remedy is tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Apply this mixture around the ear, avoiding direct contact with the ear canal. Tea tree oil can offer relief and aid in reducing inflammation. Salt sock remedy. And for our cozy solution, the salt sock remedy. Heat up some salt in a pan, place it in a clean sock, and tie a knot at the end. Gently place this warm salt sock against the infected ear. The heat provides comforting relief and helps reduce inflammation. While these natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist or worsen. Share your favorite natural remedies for ear infections in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. Stay healthy and we'll catch you in the next video. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, check out our other health and wellness content. Until next time, take care and stay well.